Hi guys, what's up? We are looking at the Home Max X kitchen shelf organizer or sink organizer, whatever you want to call it. I'll call it a shelf. Looks like this. So you might be wondering, like, what do you mean? Basically, any like soaps, scrubbies, things and clutter that you have around your sink, you could place on this. It is stainless steel, so fine to have around water, very high quality. And then it comes with this little drip tray too. So if you have like soap, things that you were just scrubbing with, it has this little drip tray that will collect all of the moisture. So things I would put in here, let me grab a few. I've got like soap all over around my sink, and maybe some scrubbies. Don't judge the I don't know, stains in my scrubbies. They have been well used. Okay, I think that's kind of all my main goodies. So like such, you might have like a bigger scrubby to put back there with a handle or something is what that's meant for. Or you could even sandwich your sponges back there. So just really meant to make your life a little more organized.